Hello family, friends of Lara Olilo. Welcome back to another cooking and making a egusi soup. So I use this process for the last cooking as well. So I'm using moti. Of course, moti doesn't get sour. I'm using moti tomatoes. Of course, it doesn't get sour. So cook your stew, your vegetables, your egusi. So I'm going to leave it to steam. So I'm going to be putting my egusi later. Then I add the mixed stock and all. Now I'll let this to cook for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding my egusi. Guess what? The egusi, I didn't grind it dry, but I wash it because the dirt that is coming out from this egusi these days, it has to be washed. It has to be washed. If you see the lot of water and dirty that is coming from the egusi, I don't know at your end if it's the same, but I prefer watching mine these days. I wash it and grind it fresh, and it will still come out beautifully and tasteful the same way we do the grounded one. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for like 15 minutes. So now 15 minutes, I'm going to be pouring in my, you see, my egusi. So leave it like this. So we just stir it. So you leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes as well in this very process. Don't add anything yet, just cover it, keep stirring. After 10 minutes you come and stir. After 5 minutes you come and stir. Don't let it get burnt. So we are going to fry this and cook it for about 15 minutes. So I will keep stirring each time, maybe every minute. Okay, so I might not show you on the video, but that's how we get this one as well. So I'm going to be stirring it every 1 minute so that it will not get burnt. Afterward, we are going to add the mixed stock, the pepper. I've already added grounded pepper, a fresh pepper rather, sorry. So I'm going to leave it to cook, cover it for about 15 minutes. Okay, so this is about 10 minutes thereabouts. I'm going to be adding my dry bitter leaf. I soaked it for a while, so I'm going to leave it to cook for like 5 minutes along with this egusi. So I'm going to be adding a mixed stock, adding my mushroom and whatever I want to add. My mushroom and my vegetable, that's my spinach, will be reserved at the last hour so that this will not overcook. I love crunchy vegetable, so I'm going to leave it this way. Okay, to form a little bit lumps, then I'm coming back to show you the outcome of my egusi. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding my mixed stock. As you can see, look at it, look at it. So at this moment we are almost done, so we're going to leave it for about 20 minutes so it will cook. Then we'll add our vegetables. Okay, so I'm adding my vegetable, spinach, fresh spinach. I've used bitter leaf before, but I just want to add spinach to have that taste that is different. Okay, so I finished adding. I'm going to be adding my mushroom just at the ending, because this one will just take like 7 minutes and our soup is ready. Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you. Please watch us and like and share on our YouTube channel Lara Olilo or our Facebook page Laura's Kitchen. Thank you. God bless you.